The Julie Fellmeth Scholarship is really an opportunity for students to be able to work in something that they're passionate about that really furthers the public interest. My experience is a bit different from others. I'm a gun violence survivor. I survived the Las Vegas shooting in 2017. And I'm from Parkland, Florida, where just a couple months after that, the tragedy at Stoneman Douglas High School happened, and that really impacted the way that I could use my legal experience to try and prevent these kind of tragedies from happening in the future and to prevent people from experiencing the same thing I experienced. I worked on legislation in New York, Nevada, and California. And with that experience, I wrote my own bill that got introduced into the assembly and eventually passed both houses and signed by the governor.
He worked really closely with our lobbyist up in Sacramento. She was able to connect him with the Brady campaign. And he really did this by himself. I mean, we helped guide him along the way, but he was really passionate about it and self-driven.
Marcus is one of the students who drafted a bill concerning ghost guns that was signed by the governor as he was heading out the door from law school. He changed the law while he was in law school in an issue of enormous importance to him and to society in general.
I discuss with more senior attorneys my experiences and what I've done, and they're impressed that I've worked in legislation in law school, that I was able to work on actual bills that got passed in other states, and that I was able to write my own bill and get it authored and passed within one legislative session. It's not something a lot of law school students get to do, and I think it's something that stands out and a lot of people appreciate. I really want to work in legislation, like really look into laws, see how it's working in the California level or wherever I can. The Julie Fellmeth Scholarship was a way for me to step into that world and to really get involved and build connections and make a difference.